food of a country is not found in its restaurants. It's found in the homes, made with love by mothers for their family. So I just realized that the world needed a place that served mothers cooking, and that's what I set out to do back in 1992 and finally opened the restaurant in 2000. So I went to the best cooking school I could go to, the Culinary Institute of America. I worked in 4-star restaurants in New York and in France. Then I was finally ready to open the restaurant of my dreams, and I moved out here to Portland to do so. And each month we feature the cuisine of a different mother. We tell her story, we have her biography, and we have her menu on our menu, and those are some of the specials we run for the month. You know, it used to be you opened up a restaurant and you thrived. Well, now that there's competition, I think everybody's really going to have to bring it and bring 100%. This place for their drink, and that place for their entree, and that place for their dessert. I think that restaurants, if they want to thrive in this competitive market, have to bring it all. It's wonderful to see Portland becoming such a haven for gourmands, and it's really great for everybody that we're getting written about because we all rise with the tide. So the people who live there can't park, the people who want to patronize the restaurants can't park. There's no infrastructure to handle this growth. Yes, I would love to leave the legacy to my children. I would love one of my family members to take it over because this is really from the heart. It's not franchised.
These days, my baby, it's so hard to